If you plant an onion scrap every time you use an onion, you'll have an endless supply of onion greens and possibly also new bulbs. This also applies to store-bought onions that sprouted in your kitchen. Many people believe that you can only get some greens from those onions and maybe flowers followed by seeds, but no new bulbs. But that's actually not true. Even those scraps or sprouted onions will divide and grow into 2-3 separate bulbs. All these are onion scraps or partially used onions, and some are already dividing. They have just been planted, so they are still very small, but they will grow bigger. Fun fact, these onions are about 5-6 years old. It used to be one onion, one bulb, but it's separated. It's been growing in the same pot all these years. I've been using the greens in all seasons, and it never dies.